Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the steak rest for 20 to 30 minutes before cooking so the meat comes closer to room temperature. Pat dry the steak and season with salt and pepper. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a cast iron skillet over high heat. We want to create a sear on both sides of the steak. Place the steak into the hot cast iron pan. It can get a little smoky, so you may want to turn on a vent fan or open a window or door. Add the garlic and rosemary. If you use a high temperature cooking oil, there will be less smoke. Let the steak cook for 2 minutes. Flip the steak over and cook for another 2 minutes. Add the butter. Spoon the melted butter on top of the steak. If you want to sear the sides, cook them for about 30 seconds on each side using the tongs to hold the steak up. Transfer the pan to the oven and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. This will create a reddish pink center. If you want it medium rare or rare, try 2 to 4 minutes. For smaller, leaner steaks, you'll want to keep it in the oven for no longer than 2 minutes, even less if you want to achieve medium rare. For larger, fattier cuts, 4 to 6 minutes should be good. If you are uncertain, you can check with the thermometer to get the internal temperature to the desired doneness. Remove the pan from the oven and place the steak on a cutting board. Let it rest for 7 to 10 minutes without cutting into it. After you have let the steak rest, it is ready to be eaten.